A new Poco M4 is being developed by Xiaomi. Let's see the details of this smartphone. The smartphone will be powered by the Dimensity 700 MT 6833 processor, which is one of the most recent chipsets. This smartphone has a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor. This new incoming smartphone has a 6.53-inch screen size, which is a big screen display, with an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and a full HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Also included in this forthcoming smartphone is a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The incoming new smartphone has a RAM of 6 GB. Because this Poco M4 by Xiaomi has the maximum level of RAM, you can expect your phone to perform at a super fast pace thanks to its powerful RAM. The handset features 128 GB of storage, which implies your data storage capacity is limitless. The Xiaomi M4 has a triple camera configuration on the back. The smartphone's main sensor will be 64 megapixels, with an additional 8 megapixels and a 2 megapixel sensor. This phone has a signal selfie shooter with a resolution of 16 megapixels to make snapping selfies with this new mobile easier and more attractive. The upcoming smartphone Xiaomi Poco M4 will be powered by a non-removable LiPo 6100 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities. This phone is running on Android 11 operating system. In addition, this phone also has these features support such as dual SIM, micro SD-XC dedicated slot, 90 Hz refresh rate, LED flashlight, geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, FM radio, NFC, USB Type-C 2, USB on the go, infrared, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, proximity, side-mounted sensor and 3.5mm audio jack. What do you think about this phone? Please comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.